You use things that you're comfortable in. Number one, you can afford them. Number two, you're comfortable in. And number three, you look great in it.
I believe in quality. And I think that if you purchase items that are of quality, they don't necessarily have to be the top brand, because there are items that are of quality and not necessarily all that expensive.
I'm here to encourage people to dream, but don't let the challenges that you have take that opportunity to dream away from you. Because I think if you cultivate this idea or imagery in your mind that you want to be like this and you believe in it, it will happen.
You don't have to follow any trend.
Okay.
No one needs to follow anything. You just have to follow what you think and what you feel is right for yourself.
For me, it's not about the full-on makeup. It's just about looking clean and looking approachable and presentable.
There's no harm in trying and fitting outfits. There are no rules in fashion.
Local fashion designers, fashion schools, brands, entrepreneurs, manufacturers, and retailers. Our target is to keep on educating women by providing them the resource and mentors they need.